right, so for the IT band, we have to keep in mind the attachment point is sitting right at the hip. So what are our two main muscle groups? The hip flexor and then the glute sitting there. So we need to release tension there before we can actually release tension in the IT band itself. So what we'll start is literally just on one butt cheek at a time. We're gonna apply pressure roughly about 10 to 20 seconds. After that, we're gonna work back and forth motions encompassing the entire glute cheek there. As soon as we're done there, we want to stay away from the IT itself. The more direct pressure on the IT band, the more damage that we do because all the muscle fibers actually get entwined in the actual IT band itself. So we want to think more 45-degree angles, more topical application through the quad, and then bottom posterior side throughout the hamstring there. So we want to rotate the body more at about a 45-degree angle, again, hitting the underbelly of the hamstring, but again, notice I'm never directly on the actual IT itself. So you can work about 10 to 15 passes there. Once you're done there, then you can rotate. Now we're sitting, again, more at a 45-degree angle, now on the quad and the hip flexor. So notice, again, I'm more at an angle here. Once you're done with those, now you can actually apply pressure into the hip flexor itself. So you'll definitely know once you hit that hip flexor, it's a nice little meaty pocket there. Same thing, applied pressure 10 to 20 seconds. From there, you can actually work inside out, rolling motions just to really get into that hip flexor. So do that on both sides, obviously. You don't want to create an imbalance, but again, never go directly on the IT band itself.